Hello, welcome to online computer class. Here Rahul Rai, your tech guru. We bring chapter 1 network basic for you in different sessions. We are going to start next sessions. Before that, you subscribe, like, share and comment your best YouTube channel. Okay dear students, we are in next level to start the session 3. Before starting, just we see the topics which we are including at a glance. What we have to learn. Here we have to learn some common devices, some common networking devices. Here I have given you 4 types of networking devices which we are going to understand, learn in these videos. These 4 devices are here. First one is LAN card, hub and switches, third one is router, and fourth one is modem. In next level we are going to have these devices in detail, so wait and watch and subscribe the channel. Hey dear students, we are going to have these devices in detail. First device is just see here, that is local area network card, that is known as LAN also. These are of 2 types. First one is inbuilt in motherboard of your computer, and second you can slot it as an external LAN card also. Here see, it allow computer to connect network through a wired or wireless medium, and every computer have LAN card inside it. These devices such as printer, scanner and so on connect with network through a LAN card only. Okay, second device is hub and switches. It is also networking devices. Hubs are used earlier days. Now that once we are using switches to connect different peripheral devices. They play different roles for different devices. Hubs are used for same devices to connecting in same computer, and switches are used to connect different devices or one computer to another computer. See here, hubs and switches are boxes to which connect printer and other network devices are connected. It functions to direct information and facilitate communication around the network among all the connected devices. Hubs are outdated and seldom used for new installation, and switches is terminated as a smart hub. Oh, third devices, that is router. See the figure how it is look like. It is used to connect to other networks. It is act as a gateway between 2 networks to connect and facilitate transfer of information. The fourth device, modem. Modems are of 2 types, external and internal. Modems stand for modulator and demodulator. Modulator means converting digital data into an analog signal, and vice versa, that is demodulator, so that computer could understand and process according to it. It is an electronic device used to connect computer to internet via telephone lines or a wireless medium. So today you understand some common networking devices. Hope so you will get understand. So subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and wait for next session, session 4, and the topic of next session is transmission of data in a network. For any kind of problem, you can comment on my YouTube channel in personal videos. Okay, if any doubt, you can come to me on my comment. Till then, bye bye, see you soon.